Hi everyone! So the last video I released, I played through the awesome track that is LA Canyons by Phoenix on Assetto Corsa, and today I'm going to review another track that Phoenix released in 2016, but this has had a total reworking. Welcome to Pacific Coast, an absolutely gorgeous coastal road in California. Big shout out to Phoenix again for the great reworking of this track, and all the links to the track and the mods are in the description below, so do check those out. And remember guys, if you do like the video, please do click on that subscribe button, it really does help me to grow the channel. Right, Pacific Coast, let me show you what it's all about. As well as looking gorgeous, Pacific Coast comes with a wide variety of content in different levels. So the gameplay you can see here in the MX-5 looking really cool on the Pacific Coast. And now the Scooby is the basic layout, so that's a north and south layout that's 23 kilometers long in either direction. The highway is called the Pacific Coast Highway or the Cabrillo Highway. The southern route is well known as the Big Sur, the Big South, and the Big Sur starts at Cape San Martin and runs southbound along a twisty and mountainous section of the coastline. So in the standard format you can see that you can cruise to your heart's content and your favourite cars, long sweeping bends again, some great straights. But if you do want to challenge yourself, well then you can start to up the ante a little bit with the vehicles. And here I'm driving one of my favourite cars. This is an RS500 Sierra Cosworth and it absolutely loves this track. The Cosy looks great on this gameplay footage, and do remember I'm running a number of graphical mods on here, so if you've got a fresh install of Assetto Corsa or you've just picked the game up, check out my links in the description below that will explain how to install the graphic mods to bring it up to 2020 standards. The main pieces that I'm running here are custom shader patch, so I'm using Content Manager to drop all the files in and really help me out when I'm installing all these mods. How good does this Cosworth sound as it pops and bangs going into the corners. Also included in the standard track pack is a mansion free roam layout with 118 pit boxes, so that will give you a little bit of variation when you're wanting to do some free roam driving. Here we are then in the Nissan GT-R Nismo, and this track is great, but don't you think it'd be great if it had traffic? Well, you can install traffic. The link is in the description below again, and this adds the traffic mod to Pacific Coast. This is two-way traffic and it also adds a number of other track layouts. This includes more north loops and south loops, as well as downhills and hill climbs, and also a free roam, and this can take the track up to 46 kilometers long. So, driving 100 mph plus on this amazing sweeping coastal road in the sunshine in California, is it fun? Absolutely it's fun. So here's me and my Lotus Elise chasing this Z4. Now I was absolutely certain I was going to take this Z4, but he had other ideas, and you can see how much fun it is on this gameplay. And adding insult to injury, I'm trying to catch this Z4, and if you look in the rear view mirror, what's coming up behind me? A GTR trying to overtake me, trying to overtake the Z4. But the great thing about Assetto Corsa is the way that this all ends. Clearly, after that complete failure, I had something to prove to myself. So just to prove that this Lotus Elise will overtake this Z4, here you go. I do think Pacific Coast should be one of your priorities to download and install if you've not installed it yet on Assetto Corsa. The two track packs that are featured here are both free, so you can just download them and install them. That's all great, but I have linked to Phoenix's website below, so do support Phoenix for all the amazing work that is done on these and really keeping the Assetto Corsa scene going. I'm sure you'll agree this track with these graphic mods on does show what Assetto Corsa can still do in 2020, and this is a great example of a track that's really well made. Lots of fun, as you can see, especially with the traffic on. I hope you've enjoyed this video. As ever, if you have liked the video, do click on subscribe, it really does help me to grow the channel, and click on that thumbs up and add any comments as well what you'd like to see in the next video. I have left a little bit of extra replay footage on here because it just looks so great. So enjoy, and I'll see you soon.